This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. There is always a risk when investing in the stock market. These videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. It is always advised to do your own research and to keep learning more and more about any strategies used in these videos.
Welcome back to the channel. I hope all had a good weekend, and going forward, I hope all have a prosperous week. We're going to jump into week 44 of our Roth. And looking at the account balance is currently at $12,975.45. Today is October 25th, and that account balance has been updated to $12,975.45. So going down the line here with Blink, cost basis $37.71 a share. Come over, click the down arrow, go to options chains. And we are 4 days out. The bid is currently $27.94 and the ask is $27.97. So we will be selling a strike price below our cost basis, so we will need to monitor this to make sure it doesn't go above that. Looking at the strikes here, it's up 29 cents on the day, basically at $28. I'm going to come over, click the all just so I can see more of the chain. This will expand the chain, giving me more options. And with Blink at $28, coming down the chain here, I think we've been selling around the 31. I'm going to go ahead and sell the $32 call. So you find the one you want. Actually I think I might go ahead and sell the $31 call, and we'll just buy that back if it gets close to it. So you find the one you want, and you'll come across and click right here on trade. And always read this to yourself. You're selling Blink, expiration 29th of October, $31 strike price. It is a call option. We're going to sell to open. We have 100 shares, so we'll do a quantity of 1, and the market is open right now, so this will be a market order. I'll review and submit. Next up is Wish. Cost basis $10.31. Come over, click the down arrow, go to options chain. Looking at this, bid is $5.49, ask is $5.50. It's up almost 30 cents for today. I think I'm going to go ahead and sell. I'm going to sell the $6.50. So you find the one you want, you come over, click on trade. And reading this, Wish, expiration 29th of October, $6.50 strike price. It is a call option. We're going to sell to open. We do have 300 shares. Every 100 shares is one contract, so we can do a quantity of 3. This will be a market order. Corsair Gaming is currently going until the 19th of November. GoPro, we have a total of 200 shares. Cost basis $11.36. Come over, click the down arrow, go to options chain. Bid is $8.91, ask is $8.92. I think I'm going to go ahead and sell. I'll just go ahead and sell the $9.50 on this one. So I'll come over, find the one you want, click trade. And we do have 200 shares of this one, so it will be a quantity of 2. The Nano Orbital Energy is still going. Zynga, cost basis $8.82. We'll go to the options chain. And Zynga is currently $7.48, is up 10 cents for the day. We'll go ahead and do the $8 call option on this one. So that is all of the stocks that we own. Looking at our cash on hand, we currently have $743.99. I think this week what I'm going to do, I'm going to sell a put on Wish. So you find the one you want. If you don't have it, you can go up to trade and options chain and then type in that symbol. And since we already have Wish, we can just come straight to Wish. Not the actual call. You need to come above to where it's the actual ETF is. And we'll go to options chain. And looking at the put side this time, Wish, I'm going to sell the $5 put. So you find the one you want, come over, click trade. And reading this is much similar as it would be with calls. It's Wish, expiration the 29th October. It is a $5 strike price. It is a put option. I'm going to sell the open, and we'll do a quantity of 1, and this will be a market order. And with about $750 on hand with that $500 put, it'll give us about $250 left. So let's go to history. And looking at this week, we got 435, 135, 269, 435 for the wish calls, and 1135 for blink. And with those totals added up, comes out to a total of $32.79. Remember to always write out your plan and focus on your plan and do what you're striving and working towards. Guys, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And if you found value in this video, I would appreciate the thumbs up.